The rigid flex shaft K912 is a compact and super handy pipe cleaning tool made for tight spaces and quick jobs. Weighing just 4.5 kilograms, it's light enough to carry anywhere and small enough to use in cramped areas. What's really convenient is that it works with almost any cordless drill that runs between 1800 to 2500 RPM, so there's no need for special machines. This tool comes with a 9-meter flexible cable that's just 6 millimeters thick, allowing it to twist and turn easily through narrow or curved pipes. Despite its slim size, it can clean pipes up to 50 millimeters in diameter, making it perfect for home plumbing, bathroom drains, and other light-duty cleaning jobs. It's quick, efficient, and doesn't make a mess like other bulky machines. Priced around $230, the FlexShaft K912 is a great value for professionals and DIYers alike. Scan Grip Nova Mini. The Scan Grip Nova Mini is a small but powerful flashlight made for professionals who need reliable light wherever they go. Don't let its size fool you. It shines with a bright 1000 lumens, making it perfect for mechanics, electricians, and anyone working in dark or tight spaces. Its compact and lightweight design means you can easily slip it into your pocket or clip it to your belt, so it's always within reach when needed. What makes the Nova Mini even better is its smart design. It's built tough with an IP65 rating, which means it's resistant to both dust and water, making it a great choice for use in garages, construction sites, or outdoor work. It also includes opto-light technology, letting you adjust the brightness with ease depending on your task. The flashlight runs on a strong 3200 milliamp hour battery that lasts up to 18 hours on its lowest setting. Plus, it's designed to last with up to 1000 charge cycles. Sealy Portable Car Lift. The Sealy Portable Car Lift is a super handy tool for anyone who loves working on cars. It's lightweight and so easy to use that just one person can set it up without help. But don't let its size fool you. It's strong enough to lift cars weighing up to 2,250 kilograms, raising them up to 44 centimeters off the ground. Whether you're changing tires, working on brakes, or checking underneath your vehicle, this lift makes everything faster and easier. One of the coolest features is its low-profile design, just 75 millimeters tall, which means it can slide right under even the lowest sports cars with no struggle. Plus, the control box comes with a long cable, so you can lift and lower the car safely from a comfortable distance. It's all about making car work simple, safe, and efficient. The Sovereign Sphinx 40 is a smart, eco-friendly catamaran built for those who dream of living off the grid on the open sea. This 40-foot electric boat is perfect for couples or small families, offering 3 comfortable cabins, 2 bathrooms, and a bright, spacious interior filled with natural light. Designed for full-time living or long adventures, it brings the comfort of a home to the water. One of its best features is its ability to run almost entirely on renewable energy. The roof is covered with solar panels, and you can even add a wind turbine or kite sail to generate extra power. It cruises quietly at around 6 to 7 knots with its electric motors, and even when using solar alone, it can keep moving at 3 knots. With an 84 kilowatt hour battery system, it can travel long distances without needing a recharge. Inside, there are even garden beds to grow your own food, perfect for life at sea. The Triclone trimmer head is a heavy-duty attachment that transforms your regular electric trimmer into a powerful cutting tool. Designed and made in the USA by Amcor Trading, this tool stands out for its strength and versatility. Vertimax 4413. The Vertimax 4413 is a super handy tool that makes tying plants fast, easy, and neat. Whether you're working in your backyard, garden, or even a greenhouse, this plant tie machine saves you a lot of time and effort. With just a quick press of the handle, it wraps and ties your plant to a stake in seconds. No struggling with twine or messy knots. What makes this tool so useful is its smart design. It uses just the right amount of tape and cuts cleanly every time, so there's no waste and everything looks tidy. It's perfect for supporting tall plants like tomatoes, cucumbers, or climbing vines. The ties are firm but gentle, so they won't damage delicate stems. Even if you've never used a plant tie machine before, the Vertimax 44113 is simple to operate and easy on your hands, making long gardening sessions much more comfortable. Gardeners of all experience levels will love how much faster and cleaner this makes the job. Wuta Pro Leather Cutting Machine. The Wuta Pro Leather Cutting Machine is a compact yet powerful tool designed for anyone working with leather and similar materials. At just $49, it delivers professional level performance without breaking the bank. This machine can apply up to 1.5 tons of pressure, allowing it to cut through materials as thick as 1.5 centimeters with ease. It's not just limited to leather. You can also use it on rubber, fabric, plastic, and more, giving you plenty of creative flexibility. Whether you're a hobbyist making wallets and belts at home or a small business crafting leather goods, this machine helps you get perfect cuts every time. It's built for precision and speed, so you can finish projects faster without sacrificing quality. Its compact size, 38 by 31 centimeter, makes it easy to fit on any table or workspace, and its sturdy design means it can handle heavy use. Xpeng Aero HT eVTOL. The Xpeng Aero HT eVTOL is a flying car concept that turns science fiction into reality. Designed by the Chinese tech company Xpeng, this electric vehicle can drive on the road like a normal car and then take off into the air when needed. It's made for the future of city travel, where flying over traffic could become the fastest and most exciting way to get around. The Aero HT looks sleek and modern, with foldable rotor arms hidden during driving. When it's time to fly, the arms unfold, and the vehicle lifts off straight into the air like a giant drone. It's fully electric, so it's quiet, eco-friendly, and designed with safety at its core. Inside, the Aero HT feels like a luxury car, with comfy seats, smart controls, and a simple, high-tech interface. The goal is to make flying as easy as driving. No pilot training needed. The XSTO Z4170D might not have a flashy name, but it's a powerful and practical stair climbing machine that makes moving heavy loads easy. Built to handle up to 170 kilograms, this electric stair climber is perfect for delivery drivers, movers, warehouse workers, or anyone who regularly carries heavy items up and down stairs. It can climb stairs at a quick pace of 34 steps per minute and go up to 135 floors on a single charge, making it ideal for long workdays or multi-story buildings. Even with all that power, it runs at around 70 decibels, about as loud as a household vacuum, so it's quiet enough to use in apartment buildings or offices without causing a disturbance. What makes the ride even smoother are its shock-proof pneumatic tires, which absorb bumps and help it move steadily over steps and uneven surfaces. Zephyr Lift Downdraft Kitchen Vent. The Zephyr Lift Downdraft Kitchen Vent is a smart and stylish way to keep your kitchen air clean, without the need for a big, bulky overhead hood. This modern vent is built into your countertop and quietly rises up behind your stove when you're cooking. When you're done, it smoothly slides back down and disappears, giving your kitchen a clean, open look. With just the press of a button, the Zephyr Lift starts working to pull in smoke, steam, and food smells right from the cooking surface. It's powerful enough to handle heavy cooking, but quiet enough not to interrupt your conversations or kitchen vibe. It's perfect for open concept kitchens or island setups where a traditional vent hood would block your view or feel out of place. Made from high quality materials with a sleek, minimalist design, it fits beautifully into modern kitchens. It works with many types of cooktops and is especially great for homes where overhead space is limited.